thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be opening up this Yale wafer lock, and it was a lock that was put in my bucket at the UKLP.co.uk meet in Bristol some time ago now, and I'm still working my way through all the locks that I've brought back with me, but I'm pleased to say that I have sent out so many Euro cylinder locks that I'm nearly completely given them all away. So yeah, there's loads of locks out there from that meet that have gone all over the place, all over the UK and to the United States, Denmark as well. So I'm really pleased that everyone's got an opportunity to enjoy all those locks that were given to me at that meet. But I have still got plenty in my own bucket that I've yet to pick, so I just thought I'd give this a go, a little bit of fun, and see how it works out. It's just not leaving me. There's not a lot of room in there with the, even with the wiper tension tool. I don't seem to be getting much rotation on it from there. There we go. Click on the back one. So I got that open, finally. I haven't done many wafer locks. I did my brother's kitchen cabinet wafer lock the other day. I think that might have been my first one. But no, that weren't too bad. I reckon it would be easier with a rake. So I'm going to get my pick roll out that Diamond Keys are made for me, and I'm really appreciate that. It's a lovely piece of craftsmanship, and it's holding loads of my lovely hooks and rakes. And for this, I'm going to give it a go with one of the Honest. This is one of the Honest set. Let's get back down here. Thought I'd lost my windscreen wiper tension tool for a minute. And we'll get that in there. I'm just going to go, it's been a while since I've used these on this rate. Oh, there we go. That was fairly straightforward, wasn't it? I was about to say, I didn't even finish my sentence. It's been a while since I've used these Honest rakes, but I really, if you're into raking, I highly recommend those. I'm not sure, you can still get them from UK lock pickers, and yeah, they're a cheap set of rakes, but they're really handy to have, especially if you watch some of my earlier videos. You'll see that I did a lot of raking in the beginning. Anyway, thanks for checking out another one of my videos, and hopefully I'll be back with another one soon.